What's going on, everybody? Chuck here, and I hope that you are having a fantastic day today. If you haven't done so already, please consider hitting that subscribe button down below. I know I've probably popped up on the recommended list, so you may feel like it's useless. It doesn't make any, there's no point in subscribing anymore, but for us content creators, it does mean a lot when you hit that button, so please consider subscribing down below. I'm a little bit, it is actually 6:52 in the morning here, and I am behind on applying the Bio Stim Pack from the N-ext line of products. Just between trying to get everything mowed and all that kind of stuff, I just haven't had time. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that done this morning. It is cool outside, it is calm, it is peaceful, which is awesome. And so you've maybe seen the saying online, spraying and praying, because you have to spray these products out. But because it's so cool and calm outside, and you hear the sounds of nature, it's very peaceful. So I'm gonna be actually focusing on the prayer aspect of spraying and praying. So I'm gonna do a voiceover prayer while I am applying these products. So if you're weirded out or get uncomfortable by public or expressions of faith, you don't have to watch this video, or if you just want to watch the footage of me spraying, you can mute me. But I just feel with everything going on, how crazy the world is right now, that prayer does help, at least helps me. It may not actually fix anything out there in the world, but at least personally, it at least calms me down and gives me a little bit of peace. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do a prayer while I spray. You can join me in a prayer too if you'd like, but that's up to you. I'm gonna put some nice peaceful music and bump up the ambient sound outside, some ASMR, and prayer is never meant as a negative thing, or at least it's not supposed to. So it's always meant as a positive thing. When you're praying for somebody, you're praying for someone to get better. Even if you find that's useless, it's always meant for positivity. So if this is meant to be a positive video, and something positive as I pray for all of you that are watching, and everything else going on in the world. So no negativity, let's be positive and let's get to spraying. Now, if you're not familiar with the N-ext line of products, especially the Bio Stim Pack, everything is meant for or at least for the Bio Stim, it's more meant for the soil optimization and root zone health. You have your aerate, which is for soil compaction. You have humic 12, which is for soil optimization. You have the RGS, which is a root growth stimulant, so it helps grow the roots, put some more mass behind the roots to help them absorb the nutrients better. And then you have the microgreen, which is like the only real fertilizer of the product. It's 002 analysis, so there's no nitrogen in it, but there is some potassium. But it is with all the micronutrients, so everything is sort of more there. You'll get a little bit of a green up with the microgreen because there is some iron in it, but it's all meant for more the soil level optimization and health. Dear Lord, I pray that this sign of faith in you doesn't come off as a show or insincere. You have given me this platform to use the talents you have given me, so I want to return these gifts to you. With all the negative stuff going on in our country, I ask that you let the positive start to shine through. It feels like everywhere I turn there's negativity and hatred, and it can be overwhelming at times. I ask that you let the light of the world come through and provide that glimmer of hope to show. I want to take a moment to pray for everyone that's watching this video. I don't know what's going on in their lives, but I ask that you bless them. If they are sick, you give them healing. If they are worried or stressed, you give them peace and comfort. If they are in need of a financial miracle, please provide it. I ask that you show them favor whether they believe in you or not.
I ask that you use me as you see fit. Let me and my channel be a light in a period of darkness. Let it be a place of positivity in a period of negativity. Let it be a place to get away, even if it's just for a few minutes, that it provides a positive, uplifting atmosphere. Thank you for allowing me to be a part of this fantastic lawn care community with some truly amazing people. Thank you for continuing to show me your wonderful works even though I don't deserve them. You are an awesome God. In your name I pray, amen.
So yeah, that is it for this video. Pretty simple. I applied everything at 6 ounces per 1,000 square feet. Everything applied really well. Definitely the new Ortho helped a lot, much better than it did, the old one did on the strip. But yeah, I hope I didn't offend anybody by wanting to do the spray and literal pray. It's just something I felt like I wanted to do, something I feel like our country needs more of. Yeah, and I mean, it was just a nice morning. It's a bit humid today. It's gotten a little bit more humid out, but that's all right. I am gonna go ahead and water in this product. It says we're supposed to get like a 60% chance of rain, but that's what it said yesterday, and we got nothing. So I'm gonna go ahead and water in this, the N-ext products. But yeah, so yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, comment below. Do you use the N-ext products? When do you typically spray them? Have you done early morning spray and praise before? But yeah, I hope I see you all at the next video, and it's something you don't want to miss because I got a product that supposedly kills Bermuda grass and quackgrass. So we're gonna go ahead and put that to the test. But anyway, you all have a fantastic rest of your day, and God bless.